that sets the audio tone at a very low level when you're actually trying to use the thing. Anyway, when the switch is turned on, the field is established around the search coil itself. When the switch is open, you get the flyback. This signal goes into this amplifier here and is limited. What we've done is increase the overall gain in this amplifier so that smaller objects are more audible in the headphone. The second thing that's really useful about this is that we've added a gain control that allows you to adjust the performance of the machine to the types of conditions you find on the beach itself. If you have a beach that has a lot of black sand, it can overload your machine quite easily, and the advantage of having a gain control on it for the sensitivity is it allows you to turn the thing down slightly, still hear a target, but the background noise from the ground is not so noticeable, and it makes it a lot easier for you to search under difficult circumstances. That's the real prime advantage of the new design that we have here. There's two controls on the box. There's a gain control, there's a thresh and the tuner, and there's two marks down here. When the tuner control is all the way down and clicked in that point, there's a battery check. And this gain control has, excuse my writing here, off position. This turns on as you rotate in this direction, turns on the device. This checks the battery when the tuner knob is turned down in that position there. The gain control sets the gain of the overall unit at a minimum level when you just turn on the knob here. The gain is maximum when the knob is turned at a maximum clockwise position. The tuner has a preset condition, as does the gain, and you turn the tuner on up to the point of just barely hearing the signal in the earphones. Then you turn, this is after you turn the unit on obviously, and you turn the gain control then up to the preset condition to initially start using the machine on the beach. What you will find is that you will hear background noise as you're sweeping the coil across the beach surface. If the noise is really loud, you can reduce the setting on the gain control in a counterclockwise position. It'll quiet it down. If you're on a beach like coral sand, you can actually advance the gain control up further and not be bothered by black sand noise at all. So it gives you a chance to basically tune the detector to the beach that you're running upon. As we worked on the design of the new PI Pro, we interfaced with the customers very diligently, and because of this interaction, I think we've come up with a much better machine that will be much more useful under more general conditions than the machines we've had in the past. The customer input has been invaluable to this development process.
Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this machine. First off, we're going to turn the gain control on. We turn it all the way over. We have a sound. Now what we're going to do is take the other knob, the tuner, and we're going to turn it down to where we just have a bare amount of noise, just a small amount of noise. And then we're going to show you how easy it is to hear a target. That's a gold ring I'm waving in front of the loop, and I have it out here about 8 inches right now, and with a headset on you can hear it a lot deeper. You really can.
The Surf PI is the latest in a long tradition of American-made excellence from White's Electronics. Headquartered in the heart of the Pacific Northwest, the factory in Sweet Home, Oregon produces a combination of handcrafted perfection and cutting-edge technology, which is one of a kind.
For over 50 years, White's Electronics has been building metal detectors from scratch right here in our Sweet Home, Oregon factory. Custom tools are designed and machined in-house by our tool and die makers. Raw materials are used to construct the durable quality products our customers demand. White's uses processes and materials proven over the years to produce a high-quality product that performs where it counts, in the field. Parts and materials are handcrafted in-house and tested every step of the way to assure quality. Automation is used when it provides an increase in quality and/or performance. Each and every detector is put through a series of rigorous engineering specification tests to assure it performs to our customers' high standards.
As you might expect with a high-quality device, there comes with it a solid warranty. You'll want to learn more about that from your local dealer, but rest assured, once a detector leaves the plant in Sweet Home, it's expected to provide many years of reliable, trouble-free performance. In the event that your detector does fail, contact your dealer. There may be a quick, simple fix. Make sure to check the obvious, such as batteries, and you might want to try your detector in another area just to be sure interference isn't the source of your problem. For the authorized service center nearest you, contact your local dealer. We want to leave you with a few words about the code of conduct while you hunt in various locations. If you're new to this fascinating hobby, common sense will usually keep you on the right track. For example, if you wish to hunt on private property, be sure to get the owner's permission. More often than not, they'll be more than willing, as long as you take care to leave the property as you found it. Close gates behind you as you enter fenced areas, and always pick up trash that you find on or in the ground. If you plan to hunt public property, be sure to check with your local government to make sure it's permissible to metal detect. Now you're ready to do some treasure hunting. To learn more about techniques from the world's best treasure hunters, consult your local dealer. There's many resources available, including books and tapes. Ask your dealer about any accessories you may find helpful. And last but not least, get out there and enjoy your detector. Nothing will make you a better treasure hunter than hunting for treasure.